Hey guys, Rob here from Hammer Halo Projects. Welcome back to another workshop build series. In this video, I'm going to paint the ceiling. And the color, interesting to say the least. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'll give you a quick recap on the build of this workshop. First, we focused on the electrical, getting all the necessary plugs and switches in. Then jumped into insulating and vapor barriering all the walls. From there, we started hanging all the drywall and finally spent the last week taping and mudding it out. Now we're at the stage of putting a finish on all these walls. Now before I can get any finish on any of these walls or ceilings, I've got to get this mud sanded off. And I know it looks like a lot of fun, but trust me. And if you're hanging on the edge of your seat, now would be an awesome time to smash that like button. Really give the YouTube algorithm something to think about. Also, if you love DIY everything, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button and follow along. Once I started sponge sanding all the angles and corners, it was at this point I decided I had had enough dust. Might as well finish it all, walls and ceilings. So here we go. Well, so far so good. I had to do a couple little patches right up in there, but all in all, first coat looks like it went okay. It's definitely different, and I'm just gonna grab the pole sander, pole sand the whole ceiling out, and then spray it one more time. So one down, one to go. Okay, don't do what I did. I didn't mask anything on the floor, and that black overspray is absolutely everywhere. So yeah, this is a lesson learned. Mask or poly everything if you're spraying black. Even white is bad, but black is unbelievable. I got a good day of cleaning now. That is unbelievable. Look at the door frame. Actually looks like a fire started in here. Should look a lot better when I start to get the gray on. I went ahead and painted that fan cover black as well. Now that the ceiling is pitch black with 2 coats of paint on it, I'll now focus on getting these walls painted out in a light gray color. Once I have one coat on all the walls, I then like to grab my brush and cut in the ceiling lines and all the corners. A huge shout out to Sherwin-Williams for this super paint. The best paint I have ever painted with. Like, just look at that. That is one roll and one cut. It covered right over that black in one cut, which is amazing to me. So big shout out to Sherwin-Williams for this paint, because I have never seen that before. I was expecting, honestly, 3, maybe 4 coats over this black, but really look at that. One coat, and it covers. I mean, I could get away without putting another coat on. Okay, so after pole sanding everything one more time, I was able to get one more coat on all the walls, wrapping up this part of the workshop project. So it's been a long and grueling week, but I think we're pretty much wrapped up in here. Ceilings are all done. The walls are all done. I ended up painting the chipboard and the top plate of that concrete wall in the darker gray as well, along with those support beams for the beam up top there. All in all, I think it looks pretty good. Gray tends to look a little bit blue in certain light, but I'm really happy about the black ceiling. It's high enough where it kind of just starts to disappear. Hard to explain, but anyhow, I think this whole place turned out really, really good. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you liked it or you hate it or what you would have done differently. And I will see you on the next one. Peace.